Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to play the prop hunt on your Call of Duty Mobile, then this video is for you. So right now I'm on my PC, that's why I'm showing the screenshot of the mobile version of Call of Duty, so COD Mobile. So from here you can see if you are on the Call of Duty mobile version, then you have to simply open your Call of Duty application or the game. Then after that you can find the ranked match here. You can simply click on the ranked, and after selecting the rank here, so simply click on this three horizontal line button at the top right corner. Now after clicking on this three horizontal line button, you can find the private option. So you have to make a private room or private server where you can play with your friend. Simply click on private. After selecting private, it will appear the settings, so you can make the settings of your private space from here. So you can select the mode here, you can select the map, also you can do more settings from here. Then simply click on confirm after completing the settings. After clicking on settings, you can find the map where you can switch between different types of map. Now simply click on this map here, and here you can see the present. So here is quick slow. You can choose the map from where you want to play the match. Now if you want to select the mode, then you have to simply click on core, and if you select the core, you can find different types of mode that currently available on Call of Duty Mobile. So for your kind information, let me tell you something like prop hunt is a seasonal mode on Call of Duty. So that means it won't be always be available for playing on Call of Duty. In different types of season or in a certain time or in some occasion, you can get the prop hunt. Now from here you can find different types of mode. Now you have to simply scroll to the very right, then you can find the prompt hunt with this type of icon. So scroll to the right to left, and go to the very right, and you can find the prompt hunt. You have to save that code, select that code here, simply click on this confirm, and after confirming that, you can find this section where you can actually play the prop hunt with the minimum of 10 people. So you have to invite 10 friends of yours to play the prompt hunt. So that's how you can see here it is. You can find that the mode has just set to the prop hunt. So make sure that the prop hunt mode is currently available on the Call of Duty Mobile current season. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.